We are now cooking the pancit canton. So, mom reheat the pan already. You will put oil. So it's not necessary olive oil, even Baguio oil. What kind of oil you? Yes. Then you put your garlic. Garlic will follow. Yes. And make it, spread it. In fact, it should be brown, but if it be so that one technique so that the garlic will not be burned is put your onions, saute your onions in. Okay, after it will be sauteed, waiting that it will be brown. The aroma or the smell of the onion and garlic should come out, but don't burn it. Okay, that should be. So, look like your oil is not enough, mommy. Add more.
I will add more.
Add more so that it will not. Okay.
Our oil is now consumed. Yeah.
After that,
Wait up for a minute.
now follow the chicken meat.
Okay.
The chicken meat should go in. Saute your chicken. Yes. Until the chicken will be sauteed. Now that your chicken is like that, you add chicken stock or plainly water. Okay. So that your chicken will be cooked. Okay. After that, wait that the chicken will be cooked before the other ingredients will follow. Otherwise, all the ingredients will be overcooked. So cook the chicken first before putting the ingredients. Okay. Since we just put only water, we are obliged to put chicken base or chicken powder.
Yeah.
Okay. The measurement for this is tansyan, sabi nila, or just you will find the taste.
1 spoon or half?
Put 2, I think 2. Yes.
That's enough.
And then mix it, stir it. So now that the chicken is cooked, you can add, what's that, mommy?
This is
Black pepper.
black pepper.
Yes. So again, there is no portion for it. Yeah, it's your taste. Now that the black pepper is in, you can start putting your vegetables. Go to your celery. It's okay. It's supposed to be this celery is okay. Dump it there and mix it. Followed with your string beans. Dump it all. Don't worry, dump it all. You can just mix it. And add your cabbage. Cabbage.
Okay.
Yeah, it will go. It will all subside. Okay, so
I will
adding
put this
all, come on. Then mix it together, stir it together. Now,
I'll add this.
add the oyster sauce.
Yeah.
And then mix it again. Stir it. Now, you can add the stick flour on it. That's our pancit canton.
I cannot open my way.
Kagum ako tadi kananda. Yes. Uh-oh. Now you decide if in case the soup is not enough, add more in order that you will cook your
Pancit.
yes. But that's quick. It's quick. It will cook soon. Okay, almost finished. If your canton or flour stick is cooked, it's already done, ma.
Yeah.
Now try it and then
I will try it if I will taste if it is good.
if it's delicious, but be careful, it's hot.
Wow.
It's hot.
Sarap.
Good.
Good.
Yeah. In
Eat the carrots.
okay, so in this, what you are going to watch is you should not burn your flour stick. There are many kinds of flour stick that it's too okay, good. It's too easy to cook, and then it will. So that's our pancit canton. Okay. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Again, the portion it's up to you. It's up to you, and the seasoning it's up to you. If you are wondering where you can buy a flour stick, I suggest go and find any Asian stores they have. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, mommy.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye for them.
See you in the next
Next
video.
video.